Do you want to learn how to make 3 beautiful small Christmas wreaths under $8 each using all Dollar Tree items? Keep watching. Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. If you're new to this channel, let me give you a warm welcome and let you know that I'm an interior designer, seasonal decorator, and DIYer who wants to help you make your favorite place on earth. So please consider subscribing. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create 3 different Christmas wreaths with all Dollar Tree items that are perfect for storm doors and apartment-sized doors. These projects are super easy and very fun and super affordable. They all came under $8 each. If you wanna see how this is done, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on because this season there will be a lot of surprise videos and you will not want to miss any of them. To see how this is done, let's head to the studio. Alright you guys, so the materials we're going to need for the first wreath is going to be a wreath form in the natural shade from the Dollar Tree, a roll of this Merry Christmas burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well. We're gonna use 2 of these beautiful picks from the Dollar Tree. These come already pre-decorated and I think it's such a good deal. For our tools, we're gonna use our wire cutters, our scissors, our hot glue gun, and we're also gonna need some of these pipe cleaners. So I'm gonna take a few out and put them right here because we're gonna need them to tie our bow. So I'm gonna get started. Before I do that, I'm going to make a little bow. So what I like to do is just get this ribbon out of the spool, and I'm going to go ahead and do a smaller bow. So I want the tail to come down about probably 4 inches, and we're gonna pinch, and then we're going to go ahead and do the middle loop right here, and then we're gonna do probably 4 to 6 little loops like this. And if you guys haven't seen the video again of how I make bows 3 different styles, I'm gonna link it up right now. You can go and watch a detailed instructions on how to do those. So I like making projects like this because the total cost of this wreath is going to be under $10, and I also love it because it is a seasonal decorating, so we don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to decorate our homes. We like to save some money so we can invest in bigger and better things because seasonal decorating is just a few months, so there's no reason to spend all kinds of money on seasonal decorating. All right, so I have 4 loops on each side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut right here. And what I like to do is I like to save some of this ribbon for my sleeve, for my hanger. So I'm gonna put it on the side. Then with my pipe cleaner, I'm gonna drive it through all of it right here. Once again, if you haven't seen the video on how to make bows, and if you are interested, go check it out. I'm gonna pull really tight right here. Make sure that I'm in the middle. Then I'm gonna spin around. Once I do that, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and fluff this bow, making sure that my tails go down, and then you want to pull and twist like this. Then with this pipe cleaner right here, I'm gonna go ahead and attach my bow to my form, and I'm gonna go ahead and twist like this. And then what I like to do is I like to just tie these 2 together, and then that will be where I hang my wreath from. All right, so once we have our bow, first of all, I'm gonna dovetail my ends so they look finished, both of them. This is like the easiest wreath you'll ever make. It's just a few steps. And because these guys already come pre-decorated, all we have to do is make sure you take these tags off. My goodness, they put them in there like they're supposed to stay, but they're not supposed to stay. We always remove our tags. So I'm gonna do 1. And what I like about these picks is because first of all, they're only $1 and they have so much material and they make projects like this so easy for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this. And what you wanna do is you wanna fluff, you wanna grab every single part that comes in that has a wire and just give it a bend and make it come alive. Like this, the berries, the pine, all of that. And you wanna do that with all of the materials that you're using for the holidays that have a wire. You attach every wire and then just give it a little bend and give it some life. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab a little bit of my glue and I'm gonna put a little bit of glue, and then I'm going to insert this right here. And as you guys can see, just give it a little bend to go with the curve of the wreath. And as you guys can see, it's so easy. And because these are already decorated for us, then all we have to do is insert them like that. Make sure you drive that stick through the wreath so it stays like this, and give it a bend like that. And look how easy that was, you guys. And you have a beautiful wreath for a small door, for a screen door, for a storm door, or just to hang on a window. Absolutely gorgeous. And that was $1, $2, $3, $4. How about that? If you like this idea, give it a thumbs up, and let me get ready for idea number 2. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, for this wreath, we're gonna use is a spool of this gold ribbon from the dollar store. We're gonna use this wreath form also from the dollar store. This is a foam wreath form. We're gonna use 5 of these picks of poinsettias from the dollar store. And you know that what I like to do is, I like to cut them all at once. That way we don't struggle. So we're gonna do that really quick. That's gonna be our step number 1. And don't forget to save these guys right here. Like I told you before, I'm gonna be showing you very soon what we want these stems for. So go ahead and put them on the side. But go ahead and cut all of these guys at once. So that way you save yourself some time. I cannot believe this is the holiday season already, you guys. I'm so excited to get a head start on the decorating. There's so many projects coming your way, and I really just hope you turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of them, because there will be some surprise videos on top of our weekly Wednesday and Sunday videos. Every Wednesday and Sunday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, so then what we're gonna do is, this is very easy, you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and clip them very short, and we're gonna start on the outer rim like this. I did this idea also for fall, and I think you guys absolutely loved it. It was one of the most viewed videos of the fall series. And the reason why is because these are perfect for smaller doors. They're super easy to make, very, very affordable. So what you wanna do is just gonna go ahead and go around this wreath, making sure that you cover that form like that. So it's very self-explanatory and very, very quick. I'm gonna continue putting these poinsettias into the wreath. And you know, somebody mentioned that this idea is also perfect for a candle ring. So it can serve as a wreath, and it also can serve as a candle ring. And I also love that idea, because sometimes even for a centerpiece, you can just put it down the table and then put candles in the middle, and that, there you go, you have yourself an automatic centerpiece that was your wreath. So super easy. All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna continue assembling this wreath, and I'll be right back with you. All right, you guys, so once we finish inserting all of our poinsettias, what I did, I just did a sweet little bow in this gold ribbon from the dollar store, and I attached it right here to the top, and then on top of that, I created this loop to hang our wreath from. So this will be where our wreath will hang from to our wreath door. So it is absolutely cute. I absolutely love the way this turned out, and it was under $8. Thumbs up if you guys like this wreath idea. And as I told you before, this could also be used as a candle ring for a centerpiece on your table. All right, let me get ready for idea number 3, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so the materials we're gonna need for the third wreath are this plaque from the dollar store with a little snowman that says "Let Us Know." We're gonna need 2 of these ring forms from the dollar store, 3 red pipe cleaners. We're gonna use 2 bolts of the glittery, sparkly red ribbon from the dollar store, and 3 ornaments in silver also from the dollar store. So let's see, this project is gonna cost us $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And let me show you how it's done. The very first thing we're gonna do is we wanna go ahead and pipe cleaner 2 of these to the back of our form. So I have used our staple gun and I put it right here about 3 inches apart and 2 inches apart from each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Then what I'm going to do is I want this wreath to be doubled up like this or like so. Now I'm gonna do it on purpose. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab this pipe cleaner and cut it in half. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fold it in half again, and I'm gonna cut one more time. And what I need these tiny little pipe cleaners is to attach this guy together. So I'm gonna do a 4-point attach, and it doesn't matter if it's not perfect because we're gonna go ahead and cover this wreath form. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 like this, just so it stays together while I put my ribbon on. And just go ahead and tack those in, and then I'm gonna do one right here. Or you could also just cut the excess, but it's easier to have the excess for when you're trying to take it apart, because as you guys know, I love to recycle things, and these are actually recycled from our full wreaths. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this ribbon and I'm gonna drop it on the floor, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach it right here, and I'm just gonna add a little dab of hot glue right here so it stays like so. I'm gonna fold, and just a little goes a long way. Then what I'm going to do very tightly, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this wreath and I'm gonna cover it on this ribbon. This is a super fun project, but it is a messy project because this ribbon sheds so much glitter, which I'm okay with because it is the holidays and everything should sparkle. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover this. I think you guys kind of get the idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put a time lapse on this, and I'll show you what it looks like all covered up. All right, you guys, so once we have the double wreath all covered in our glittery ribbon, and you can see it gives him more of a donut shape versus the flat shape that would give you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our snowman, and with the staples that we already put our pipe cleaners, we're gonna go ahead and attach right about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it upside down. So I'm gonna use these pipe cleaners to attach to my wreath very tightly, like this, or like so, once again. And then I'm gonna attach like this. I'm gonna flip it around so we have this cute little shape. And then to finish it off, because it does say "Let Us Know" on the wreath, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add just a little dab of glue on these Dollar Tree snowflakes, and I'm gonna put them down. Super easy project, and as you guys can see, it is under $10. And I also love it. This is perfect for a gift. If you have, perhaps for a teacher, it would be really cute in a classroom if you have any kids. So just press those down, and it continues on with the theme of the "Let Us Know" with the snowflakes right here. It is super easy and very affordable to make. Thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this cute little DIY. As you guys can see, creating these beautiful small wreaths that are perfect for any storm door or apartment size door is super fun and very affordable. They all came under $8, and I think they are super cute. I absolutely love them. But I cannot wait to read your comments, so leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you think about this and which one was your favorite. Alright everyone, well that's all I have for today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend, and let them know what's going on here at Ramon at Home for the holiday season. I cannot wait to come back with the next project, but meanwhile I'm going to link up a series of last year's projects so you can catch up or you can watch more videos right now. Thank you, and until next time, bye.